Okay, so I want to do just a couple more examples, again, just to kind of reinforce these concepts, and especially from class. I know, well, you guys mentioned that I didn't talk about set builder notation, or maybe I didn't, not as much, or it was supposed to be on the video and maybe I didn't upload it. So again, set builder notation, but this is still is section 2.2. This is actually uh, number 31 in 2.2. And okay, so I'm given two sets. So set A, so set builder notation, X, right? All numbers such that the numbers belong to the natural numbers, or that these numbers are natural numbers. And okay, that and is very important. And then we have these symbols. And let me make this a little bit smaller so I can fit it all in one line. I have 5 less than X less than 12. And then I have set B, and set B is, okay, so they write it as, actually here it's just a word description, so I don't have to write the set. I have the set of natural numbers between 3 and 17. Okay, so notice the difference, right, between the two. I mean, there is a big difference between the two sets, but the type of description, right? This is set builder notation, right? It has this vertical bar, and this is just a word description, right? There are no mathematical symbols besides the 3 and the 17. Okay, so the question asks, it says determine whether, and I have this, well, it's in your book, but either is it going to be, so I'm comparing two. I have set A and set B, and right there's a blank space here. And we want to know is, can I put that or can I put that? And that, right, these are subsets, but this is a proper subset, and this is a not proper subset. And which one can we put in, or so both or neither. So one, the other one, both or none of them. Okay, so the first thing you want to do with this problem, which you'll be doing in class as well, you'll have another example, is list, if you don't know what the set means, okay, I think that one of the easiest ones, or I notice a lot of students like the roster method. So, I mean, this is not the roster method, and this is not the roster method. So let's use the roster method to rewrite this set. Okay, so this is telling us, okay, we're talking about numbers in this case, right? So this means all the numbers. Okay, all the numbers. Okay, there are a lot of numbers in math, right? Positive, negative, fractions, decimals, square roots, a lot of different numbers. But they're saying specifically all the numbers such that, right, certain conditions have to be met. And the conditions are, the first one is x has to be a natural number. Okay, x has to be a natural number, so I would just write, okay, what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, dot, dot. Okay, just for now. So that's one condition, but it says and another condition has to be met. And let's maybe write that in blue. So this means the numbers, the natural numbers, right? Whoops, between 5 and 12. Okay, well, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are not between 5 and 12. So I can cross that out. 2, right? I mean, 1 is not greater than 5, 2 is not greater than 5, 3 is not greater than 5, 4 is not greater than 5, 5 is not greater than 5, right? Because 5 is equal to 5. So again, you want to kind of use a process of elimination here. So I know I'm going to start at 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, and actually, I should not write this 5, right? Because I crossed it out here. And actually, I'm stopping at 11 because it's not included. if I had a little horizontal bar here, then I would include 5. If I had a horizontal bar here, right, that's my equal sign, I would have the 12 in here. So that's what set A is, and even just more practice. It's not even in the question, but the cardinality is, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 6 elements. Okay, set B. What does set B look like? Okay, in roster notation, the set of natural numbers between 3 and 7. Between 3 and 7, not including, so this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay, dot, 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 let's just go up to 17. Okay, so we have our two sets, and now we want to know, again, which of these symbols should I write in, or both? Well, let's see, is 6 in here? Yep. Is 7 in here? Yep. 8 in here, 9 in here, 10 in here. Okay, 11 is in here. So A is definitely a subset of B, right? A is a smaller set than B. But I can also write A is a subset of B, right? This is just saying that it's proper, meaning A is not equal to B, right? The way you read this is A is a so A is smaller than B, or it's equal to B. So there's an or implied in here. And I think that's pretty much it. So both, I mean, you can write both symbols. So make sure you understand this one just because you're going to be practicing in class.